Wow.
Not too shabby.
Cove ceiling's in good shape. It's a nice sized living room. The wood floors are wonderful. I love the big windows out to the porch.
Good light.
Great light. I love it. So far, so good. Maybe one of the best ones we've seen in a long time.
Big dining room.
I love the built-in. This is great.
Oh, wow, cool.
Right? Little built-in hutch, add some character.
The original medallion.
Medallions,
Oh, yeah.
nice.
I love that built-in. We'll definitely have to keep that. That's really
With
nice.
all the panes still intact.
Yeah, that's crazy. There's not
All the
broken
glass
glass.
is still there. Fun.
Wow.
I love this. Such charm. The kitchen is a wee bit small, I must say. Oh boy, here we go. All right. All right, it's not the worst I've seen. Layout-wise, this is pretty nice. You know, it's not like the biggest.
I mean, I think this style of house, it's okay to have like a more traditional layout, you know?
This is an old house built in the 20s, so the kitchens weren't that big. But even for that time frame, the kitchen is larger than most.
I'm getting inspired by this tile, though. Like, what if the whole thing was tiled?
The entire room, yeah.
Like old school subway.
And the black and white floor is also kind of giving me that old house, but in the good way.
Oh,
Yeah.
good. You getting some inspiration?
I definitely can see using that in the final design of the house. You know, what are we gonna? What's the theme gonna be for this one?
I don't know.
We'll see. We'll see. Good start though.
So far, pretty good.
Yeah.
This is a huge bathroom.
This is a big bathroom.
Again, I kind of like the white and black situation going on.
I love the floor.
What if
I
it can be
don't see any
saved?
cracks in it. I think that's a scuff.
There's a huge hole.
Yeah, there's a nice hole open there.
See,
Why?
there's an upstairs.
Dude, all of these houses have so many holes. This is
Oh,
not
paneling,
my
okay.
favorite.
Yeah.
There is not. What? This is massive.
This is big.
This is wild. Like, it literally feels like a completely different house.
It's because this used to be a two-family flat, so it actually was like two separate dwellings.
It's gonna have to be gutted down to the studs, though, for sure. And then reconfigured completely.
This is a very nice size room up here. I want to look at that room. What is that? This is a bathroom.
Layout challenge.
It's a nice
Okay.
size bathroom, but it's a strange location, I must say.
It's kind of crazy. Like, this is just like a blank slate. You can kind of do whatever you want up here.
I agree.
So the fun thing about this house is there's a lot of charm. The little built-in in the dining room is cute. The bathroom tile is really cute. So I'm thinking if we play off some of those like traditional bungalow Detroit style things, we can like kind of really take it back to its original glory. So maybe do it like the classic Detroit house.
Classic
Like-
Detroit, just like me, classic Detroit.
So if we change it to 4-2, and we make these two really nice size bedrooms, what do you think we could sell it for?
So currently the homes in the area are selling for about $100 per square foot. But with this being converted to a 4-bedroom, which most homes in this area are 3, I would say we can easily list that at least $140.
You're gonna spend probably 100.
So we would have a max all-in of 110, including the purchase price of 10,000.
And that's a steal.
I like it. Let's get an offer in like ASAP because
Yay.
I don't know how many people would say no to this deal.
Recommend an offer.
All right.
Booyah.
Good job, Shay.
Good job, Shay.
Good job, Shay.
You look so unprepared for the day.
Why? What is looking unprepared? I have a jacket and pants on with boots.
You have like no gloves.
I haven't put my gloves on yet. This is very rude. I know I say this every time, but I really love tearing a house apart. It's so fun. I really love the classic style of this house, but an old kitchen is an absolute no-go. We will update it with countertops on either side of the room, flip the fridge around, add some classic tile, just generally make it way more functional and beautiful. Can you just help me? I don't like that.
Do you think we can save this floor?
I don't know.
Should we go look at the floor in the basement to see if it's good?
Yeah, have fun. I'm gonna start knocking this out. Upstairs, the main thing is to divide this massive space into 2 more usable spaces to make it uber sellable, and that means getting rid of this nasty wood paneling. Yay! All right, this is going fun. Detroit house will definitely be fancy, but I don't know if we're gonna be able to afford quite as much oak. I'm taking advantage of the vintage accent this home has given us and going back to the early 1930s with this classic Detroit theme. This house is all about tile. The black and white from the bathroom will feed into the kitchen, and I want to add a gorgeous mosaic tile in there as well. All right, so we've officially framed out everything on the house, which, lucky for us, means we can finally start to dive into the design, and I am very excited because I have a fabulous mosaic tile that I can't wait to use.
Do you know how to lay this pattern out?
Yeah, I'm laying it out.
How does it actually go?
You see, it goes like this.
So if you have another one.
Yay. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Isn't that stunning?
I think it's a nice little play off of classic Detroit mosaics. So it's just gonna be like one direction, right?
Yeah.
Like the band.
Ah, very funny. All right, let's get some mastic. I can't stand any more of your dad jokes. And
Oh, am I finally at an age where I can do dad jokes?
Yep.
That's fun. You got it?
Ugh, look at this. Stunting. I'm trying to make it so that we don't even have a single day of inefficiencies. I'm very thrilled with this.
So Jay said that he's gonna go down to the water department in 30 minutes and see when they are free to do their inspections.
Was Jay able to get the quote down?
He owes us the quotes still.
Well, I'm not paying what he said.
Hopefully he can get it down.
I'd dig it with a spoon for 10 grand. All right, I feel pretty confident with this kitchen. This will definitely be a head turner.
Ah, Mama like. So much brighter than before.
So the kitchen,
It's a little messy at the moment, but
Ooh, I love
it's about
this
to be finished.
tile, baby. Yes.
so we did a 2-tone cabinet. The doors are black, so you see.
Ooh, that looks really good with the black grout and the black in the tile. This is gonna be nice.
Very elegant and lots of wood and black, which
Yes.
is very Bynum, very Detroit, which I love. You're gonna love the upstairs, come on.
So again, excuse the mess. Lots of things are actively happening today.
So this is like,
The reconfiguration.
I love this because it was weird. It wasn't like this before.
All right, let's finish this house out.
So we bought this house for $10,000. We spent right around $100,000 on the renovation, and we are listing it for $165,000.
Gosh, this is
Hi, ladies.
beautiful.
This is
Hi beautiful.
This house went from damn to damn. The entire house is absolutely gorgeous. I think this is one of my faves.
love what they've done to this
It's a
house.
beautiful color. I just like the size of the house, too.
It is
I
a
like
big
large
house.
homes.
This looks perfect to just sit and chill for a while.
Exactly.
We have never had a porch like this one.
This is definitely the nicest house on the block.
It is a showstopper.
You did great.
Okay, ladies, let's check it
Let's
out.
go.
I can't wait.
Come on in, ladies. Check it out.
Oh, my gosh.
So cozy.
Oh, thank you.
So cozy.
That's my #1 goal.
Yes.
Cozy.
The art is unreal.
I love the pine cones.
So he actually collected these pine cones. You see that large tree out front? They
Yeah.
come from that tree.
Oh, that's
You have to be very
He
creative.
is so
Yes.
creative.
Let's check out the dining room. You're gonna love it.
Oh, my
I
gosh,
love
look at this.
So you did keep a lot of features. I could tell that because it looks like my grandmother's home.
Do you recognize that?
Obviously, that is a beautiful space.
And I see that's a Shinola.
Yes, so actually this is Evan original.
Oh,
Evan is a really good photographer and he took this.
He did a great job.
He surely
agree.
did. I really love it.
And we built the table. It was a journey.
Yeah, that's unreal.
Thank you.
I can't wait to see the rest.
There's more to see. Follow me, ladies.
Okay.
This feels so good.
Oh, look what he's done to the drawers.
I just like the black and white theme throughout.
I have never seen this, but it is nice.
And this is a spacious kitchen, too.
It is, and it's crazy because it didn't feel this large before.
Oh, my God.
And what is this countertop called again?
It's a herringbone pattern.
Yeah, the countertops, the wood here is beautiful.
And I love the floor, too.
I love these floors.
It's not original, but it feels kind of like the Detroit mosaics.
You guys have really brought back the real feel. This is how a Detroit home's supposed to feel. Just feels like I just want a cup of tea. I just want to go in my kitchen. Let's just have a cup.
So, ladies, check out this bathroom.
Oh, my gosh. This is lovely.
That is beautiful. This is nice, and look at the floor.
So this floor is
this
original.
is the original. I was about to say that.
And this was actually Keith and Evan's inspiration for the
really?
design.
Because you've seen this floor in a lot of Detroit homes.
Exactly. In old Detroit buildings, you see this
wow.
tile.
I love that. Keeps it very Detroit, very Detroit. I love it.
Nice. All right, well, let's see upstairs.
Come on up, guys.
Wow! This
This is such a cute little space.
space.